Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. An old friend of mine is recently newly single. She split up with her longtime partner earlier in the year. And she's recently started dating again. She's joined a couple of sites, Hinge, I think, and Bumble. And I know that last Saturday she'd arranged to go on a date. So I texted her yesterday asking how the date had gone. She messaged me back saying it never happened. I got to where we were supposed to be meeting. He wasn't there. I hung around for 45 minutes and eventually realised he'd stood me up. If somebody stands you up, they fail to meet you when they've said that they would. It's often something we particularly use to talk about dates. So maybe you arrange to go on a date, but then you stand somebody up to go and watch football instead. And you don't even have the decency to phone them or text them to say that you won't be coming. Maybe somebody stands you up, they give you an apology, you give them the benefit of the doubt and you arrange to meet them again, and then they stand you up again for the second time. It might also be something that we use to talk about friends who don't turn up to meet us when we've arranged to meet. And sometimes this can happen for innocent reasons. I once had a situation where I was supposed to meet a friend of mine. We'd arranged to go out for a drink, but my son fell off his bicycle about an hour before I was supposed to go out, and I had to go to the hospital to take him to be looked at. In the end, the next day, I had to text my friend apologising, saying, listen, I'm really sorry I stood you up last night, but I had a family emergency that I had to deal with. Also, one of the cruelest things that's ever happened to me. Many years ago, I was supposed to be on a date and I was standing, waiting at Oxford Circus tube station for this girl I'd arranged to meet. And a couple of guys walked past me and 45 minutes later they walked past back again and saw me still standing there. As they walked past, one of them said, "Mate, I'd go home if I were you. You've been stood up." And sadly, he was right. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use standing somebody up.